Hello everybody, and this is Sayed. In this video I'm going to show you step by step that how to make this footer, like the Glassmorphism, the liquid glass, the iOS type of footer on your website. That's you don't need to have like a lot of coding knowledge to do this or to achieve this kind of footer here. So we have this example over here. Whenever we actually hover over to the footer area right here, we see that it's like it's coming out of the screen, so it's attracting, and it's looking like it's made with glass and a lot of the Glassmorphism things going on. But I have a very simple CSS code for this, so let me show you what we need to do. First, we need to open up the website front page by going to new tab and paste the link right here. So we need to actually select basically what's the class for this element here, and this is the we have this class over here. If we see, this is the class for this one, and we can go to Gemini. Simply we can search on the internet like Gemini, and it's a tool, it's an application, you can say, that will be helping you to like generate the Glassmorphism effect. So paste the CSS selector here, so you have the class, and you can say I want this footer to be shown in CSS liquid Glassmorphism style with rounded corners, so we have like with corners, pure glass, we can say, like pure glassy hovering effects as well. So now what's this gonna do is simply it will be writing for you. So whenever you go to like the customizer in your WordPress website right here, and you can delete all the code here from the whole start to finish. You need to delete this code if you have already. So I have deleted. Now you can see this is a simple footer. So the code that Gemini is giving to me, I'm gonna simply copying the code and going to additional CSS and paste here. So okay, now you can see that it has changed actually the footer area, and you can see with the hovering effect we got the beautiful footer, but the corners are like cutting from the edges, so we can also change them according. So yeah, that's all, and that was the tutorial to show you guys just how to replicate these in your footer area. You can do much more with the styles and stuff like the HTML, the buttons and everything you can do here, but this is just to show you guys on how to achieve without a coding knowledge. You just simply select an element or CSS class, you find to class, and then you go to Gemini and ask for the code, and then simply copy paste that code. It's that simple. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please sub to the channel. Thank you.